Now, checking in at shops and buildings is now easier with a new feature in SingPass Mobile. It's aimed at making SafeEntry less of a technical challenge and doesn't require further logins. You can select from a list of locations on SingPass Mobile and check in or out with this new feature. But that's just another option, and check-ins can still be done by scanning your NRIC or a QR code. Over 76,000 sites have implemented SafeEntry, but it's still early days for taxis. Drivers say only 1 in 10 passengers are scanning QR codes, and that's even before SafeEntry is fully rolled out to all taxis. Receipts have been issued instead to help with contact tracing. And where QR codes might be a challenge for some, such as in wet markets, NRIC scanning is used instead, even if QR codes remain an option.